Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the latest iOS 17.5 features. So if you have recently checked for your software update, you have make sure you have installed the latest iOS 17.5 on your device, because it contains many new features. What you have to do, you have to first of all download and install the latest iOS 17.5. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi internet connection. So for this, what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds, and after that you have to simply turn it off again. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go back, and here you have to go to settings. And as you click on software general, and after that you have to go to software update, you will have to wait for some seconds so that this kind of option is available as update requested. So you have to wait for some seconds so that Apple server can accept your request, so that you can download and install the latest software iOS 17.5. And if we talk about the features of the new iOS 17.5, this include a new Pride Radiance wallpaper for the lock screen, which means Apple is going to change the iPhone look into a new. And after that, you can also see features related to Apple News and big bug fixes, and also security updates for your iPhone. So if you want to check all the updates in detail, then you can simply click on the link, and after that, here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down, and you can simply check all the detail about the feature you are going to get here. So in this way, you can simply check all the detail which you get in the latest iOS 17.5 update. So here you have to simply check about all the detail, and you can also download and install the latest iOS 17.5, and after that you can simply enjoy all the feature of iOS 17.5. So we are going to make a review video after that, so you have to wait for some time. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.